we are here on the other side of our yard, and we found a cute birdie. He's so cute, and he will actually let us touch him. Yeah. This video is gonna get so many likes.
But the thing is, before I saw him crash into the garage door.
Yeah. Sorry if it's not focused there. Yeah. So he's a little hurt.
He isn't dead.
No, because we saw him. He was over there between camper. Yeah, and then yeah, but we saw him or her. He hit over there, and then he flew over here, and then we're seeing that he's right here. Now this is the most cool time ever. What the heck? A bug. There's a bug that just landed on my screen. Can we see if he can eat it? Nah, I don't think he wants to. But oh my God. Yeah, he's hurt a lot. Before I almost It's okay. It's okay. This is amazing. Okay, I don't think we should try and pick him up anymore. But oh my God, guys, this is amazing. Look, this is gonna get so many likes. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this baby bird video. Yep, there's his wing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this baby bird video. Yeah, we are not trained to do this or anything, because we're not like specialists or anything, but this is awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, and the baby bird will end us with a goodbye.